These HAFIDI all-weather car floor mats are precisely contoured for late-model Lexus ES cabins, so they hug the floor and footwells without interfering with the pedals or seat tracks. The thermoplastic elastomer construction feels substantial underfoot, resists wear, and stays flexible instead of curling or cracking in extreme hot or cold conditions. Deep channels and tall side walls do a reliable job of catching melted snow, rainwater, and road grit before they can soak into the factory carpeting. Integrated anchor points and a grippy backing help keep each mat locked in place, reducing the chance of slipping or bunching under your feet while driving. The nonporous surface shrugs off stains and can be quickly wiped down with a towel or hosed off outside, which makes routine cleaning almost effortless. Coverage extends from the front footwells to the rear seating area and cargo space, giving the entire interior a consistent, tidy look while protecting the original upholstery.